Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to delete all your contacts from your Google Gmail ID. This is very quick and easy. First, open your mobile phone settings. Now click on Google button. Now click on Manages Google account. Swipe left and click on People and Sharing. Now again click on Contacts. Here you can see all your contacts. Now select contacts you want to delete. Now tap on top right 3 dots. Now click on Delete. In this way you can delete your contacts from Google Gmail. YouTube can also select all your com. Now tap on top right 3 dots. Now again click on Delete. In this way you can delete all your contacts. Thanks for watching.